What's up, guys? So yesterday I posted a video showing 5 ways I've landed clients as a writer since 2019, and people were asking about the specific websites and resources, so I'll show you a couple of them here. Fiverr, this is where I got my start in the freelance world. Started with $10 articles. Now the starting point is $100. I'm not on here much anymore, but awesome way to land clients. Upwork, it's my favorite freelance platform. I still land clients on here to this day. Just type in writing and you'll find jobs. Ghostwriter needed for a book, $1,500. Social media copy, $500. Klaviyo email marketing, $2,000. Endless opportunities. Job boards, Write Jobs Plus. This one's pretty solid. I pay like $5 a month. Remote copywriter water for $80 to $110 an hour. Not a bad hourly rate. New opportunities every week. Facebook groups. Hiring direct response copywriter. This is called a copy job board. For 7-figure brands, they need a copywriter. Another one, they need a SaaS B2B writer. Endless opportunities here. The Writer Jobs newsletter is another place. It comes in the form of a newsletter. Look at this, 150 grand per year. Like, endless opportunity, guys. Go hunt down those clients and you'll land them.